Find the product using suitable properties. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So with this plus sign, I have divided these two multiplication and these two multiplication in two groups. Minus 48 is common in both the groups, so I have taken minus 48 as common number and 26 plus minus 36, that is distributive property. So 48 into 26 plus minus 36 is plus or minus minus, so 26 minus 36. 26 minus 36 is minus 10. Minus 48 into minus 10 is 480. Minus minus becomes plus, so it is plus 480. 8 into 53 into 125. So we are going to use associative property over here. So I am going to multiply 8 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 5. So 125 8 is minus 1000 multiplied by 53. So 53 multiplied by 1000 is 53,000 minus 53,000. 15 into minus 25 multiplied by 4 into minus 10. So for making my multiplication easy, I have made two groups, 25 into 4 and 15 into minus 10. 25 4s is 100. 15 into minus 10 is minus 150. So 100 into minus 150 is minus 15,000. Now 41 into 102. So I am distributing this 102 into two forms, that is 100 plus 2, and using distributive property. Minus 41 into 100 plus 2. So 41 into 100 and 41 into 2. 41 into 100 is minus 41 into 100 is minus 4100. 41 minus 41 into 2 is minus 82. So plus of minus minus. Minus minus becomes plus. So 4182. Minus 4182 is my answer. Same way, 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 multiplied by 65. So I have taken 625 common and minus 35 plus I have taken this common, so it is minus 1. So minus 1 into 65 is minus 65. Plus of minus is minus. Okay. Minus minus becomes plus. 65 plus 35 is 100. That is minus 100. So 625 multiplied by minus 100 is minus 62500. 7 multiplied by 50 minus 2. So I have gone with distributive property again. 7 multiplied by 50 minus 5 multiplied by 2. So 350 minus 7 2 that is 14. So 350 minus 14 is 336. Same way, 17 into minus 29. So I distributed 29 in this form, minus 30 plus 1. So 17 into minus 30 minus 17 into plus 1. 17 into minus 30 is 510. Minus minus becomes plus. Plus of minus is minus. So 17 is minus 17. 510 minus 70 is 493. Here again minus 557 into minus 19 plus 57. So I have multiplied by 57 by 1 to make two groups, one multiplication and second multiplication. Here both are minus, it is going to become plus. So 57 I have taken as common. Uncommon number is left is 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1 is 20. So 57 into 20 is 1140. Question number 6. In a certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lower from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade. Every hour, what will be the room temperature? What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So every hour the temperature decreases by 5, right? So the temperature of room is 40 and every hour the temperature reduced by 5. So for 10 hours the temperature reduction will be 50 degrees centigrade. The recent temperature is 40 degree minus 5 into 10. So 40 minus 5 times is 50. So it is minus 10 degree. So after 10 hours the temperature of the room will be minus 10 degree centigrade. Now in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Means for correct answer 5 marks are given. For every wrong answer, 2 marks are awarded. Means 2 marks are given for every. Means if the answer is wrong, you are going to get -4. Okay, that is -2. And if you have not attended any question, then you are going to get 0. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. 4 correct means for correct answer there is 5 marks. So 4 multiplied by 5. And for every wrong answer they are going to get -2. And 6 answers are wrong. So 6 into -2. 4 5 are 20 plus 6 minus 2 is -12. 20 minus 12 is 8. That means Mohan is going to get 8 marks. Same way. Well, Heshma gets 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. For every 5 correct, 5 marks are given. So for 5 question it is 5 multiplied by 5. And for wrong question 2 marks are given. So 5 questions are wrong. So it is 5 multiplied by -2. That is 5 5 are 25 plus 5 into -2 is -10. 25 minus 10 is 15. Same way. अला भाई आवाज ओछो राखो ने. Hemant get 2 correct answer, correct and 5 incorrect correct answers. Okay. Out of 7 questions she attempt. Means 7 questions is attempts, matlab she has not attempt 3 questions. So for correct answers Hemant is going to get 5 marks. For incorrect answers he is going to get 2 marks. Okay, so 2 answers are correct, 5 answers are wrong, and question not attended 3. That is 3 multiplied by 0. 2 5s are 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 10 plus 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. Well, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. The question 1 for that is, the company sells 300 bags of white cement and 500 bags of grey cement. For profit we are going to write plus, and for loss we are going to write minus. So 300 bags of white cement, it makes 8 rupees profit. So 3000 multiplied by 8. And 5000 bags of grey cement, and there is a loss of 5 rupees. That means multiply by -5. Okay. So 3000 multiplied by 8 is 24,000, and 5000 multiplied by -5 is -25,000. Plus of minus. So 24,000 minus 25,000, that is -1,000. So the company is going to make a loss of rupees 1,000. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags is 6400? Now, first of all, let us assume the number of white bags is equal to x. Profit by selling white bags is rupees 8. Okay, so it is 8x. So white bags, it is 8x plus -5 into 6400 bags, because this is grey cement bag and there is a loss of 5 rupees. So there will be loss of 32,000. So 8x plus -36,000 is equal to 0. Plus of minus is minus. So 8x minus 32,000 is 0. 8x is equal to 32,000. Okay, so x is equal to 32,000 divided by 4. So x is equal to 4. That means number of white bags sold is equal to 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Well, fill in the blanks. -3 multiplied by dash is equal to 27. One number is minus. Answer is plus. So you know it very well. 3 9s are is 27. Both the same signs means it is going to be positive. So minus is plus. So -9. I have shown you the method over here. Okay, I have taken this unknown number as x. -3 into x is 27. So x is equal to 27 upon -3. So it is -9. Same way, 5 multiplied by dash is equal to -35. So for the unknown number I have taken x. 5 into x is -35. So x is equal to 35 upon 5. So x is equal to -7. Same way over here also. I have taken x. Okay, I have taken x for this. So x multiplied by -8 is equal to 56. So x is equal to 56 upon -56 upon -8. Minus get cancelled. 8 7 the 56. So x is equal to 7. So again for blank I have taken x multiplied by -12 is equal to 132. So x is equal to 132 divided by 12. So x is equal to 11. Okay, this is -12. So answer is going to be -11. If you are in any problem, please ring me. Thank you.